Hi, I'm Matt O'Rourke, Master Plumber and President of Z Plumberz. Before we begin, please be sure to refer to the installation guide and specification sheet. Always check your local plumbing code. Let's begin. I'm going to walk you through on how to install the KOHLER Anthem digital 3-port thermostatic valve. The valve can be installed in the manner where the inlets are on the side or coming from the bottom. There are multiple points in which you can screw through and mount the unit. You'll find here a diagram of the two acceptable mounting configurations. The KOHLER Anthem 3-outlet digital valve is truly a simple install. We have a hot and cold water inlet, and then our 3 outlets going to each fixture. The unit can be installed in a stud pocket or surface mounted, and can be installed remotely, whether basement, closet, vanity. The unit is not designed to be installed in a wet application. The unit controller will come with a 32-foot cable. Make sure that the digital thermostatic valve is installed within that range. After we've mounted the unit, we're going to remove the cover with one Phillips head screw. It is a self-retaining screw, so you don't have to worry about losing it. There are removable clips in which you pull out and remove the fitting, and then you can make your mechanical connection either by PEX, sweat. There is a removable filter on both the hot and cold inlets that can be cleaned out and serviced. The O-ring is removable if you are doing a sweat application. Installation of the power cord, the cable will go towards the direction of the inlet. It is keyed, so it can only be installed one way. Press firmly until it stops. Mount the power brick. There are 4 openings to secure it. Be sure that the power brick is mounted above the unit and avoid areas where water can cause damage. When connecting the cable to the unit, there are 2 spots. It will work on either one, as we can have up to 2 units. We're going to connect it and then loop the cable through and then back out the top. This concludes our installation of the Anthem digital 3-outlet valve. For additional support, please contact the KOHLER Trade Hotline, 920-803-3927. Available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time.